Guys, we are installing some ceiling hooks into the wood, and if you have one of these, I think it can be sometimes a pain in the butt to try to get it to screw in by hand into wood like this. If you're just sitting there and it keeps slipping off, especially if you're in the ceiling, it's hard to get it to go in. So the trick with this is to use a drill and a pilot screw, or whatever you call these things, bit that is narrower than the diameter of this part. And then what you do, hopefully I can do this one hand, is you basically make a pilot screw and you go straight up. Okay, just like that. And now, when you take the actual thing you want to install, you just put it in that little pilot hole, and you can rotate it, which if I had two hands would be easier, but basically that's how I've been doing these other ones. I can't do this on camera. Actually, maybe I can. Yeah. Okay, so basically I just got the thread started on that hole we just drew, and now it's really simple and easier to just screw it in, and it's grabbing into that wood real nice. Might also need to use some needle nose pliers to help give it the last few turns, but yeah, that's how you do it, and make them look flush like the other ones. And yeah, so pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna keep turning this guy. That is hard, but yeah, that's how you do it, and hope this helps. Thanks for watching.